GameStop down 2.65%. This is Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. Intraday low in the session, $25.09. So this is a second straight session of losses for the stock if it holds. But remember that the company is today is probably the record date for the special dividend and a lot more. Let's see what's going on around those topics.
The recent surge in discussions around GameStop is centered on a special warrant dividend announced by the company. This action has intensified debates within the investor community about market dynamics and the stock's future. Warrant distribution and its impact. GameStop is distributing one warrant for every 10 shares held by the record date of October 3rd, 2025. These warrants, which are expected to be distributed around October 7th, 2025, give holders the right to purchase one share of GameStop stock at an exercise price of $32 before the expiration date of October 30th, 2026. Pressure on short sellers. The distribution of warrants can be seen as a challenge to short sellers. Since short sellers do not own the shares they have borrowed and sold, they are still obligated to deliver the warrants to the original share lenders. This forces them to either buy the warrants on the open market or buy shares before the ex-dividend date to acquire the warrants, which can create buying pressure on both the warrants and the stock itself. Company capital. If investors choose to exercise their warrants, GameStop could raise up to an estimated $1.9 billion, strengthening its balance sheet for potential acquisitions or other corporate purposes. This influx of capital counters bearish arguments that the company is struggling. Volatility and short squeeze potential. This event has led to speculation about a potential short squeeze, reminiscent of the 2021 event. With the record date approaching, the need for short sellers to obtain warrants could lead to a rush to buy shares or warrants, increasing price volatility. Community members view this as a potential ticking time bomb that could expose naked shorts and trigger a short squeeze if demand from shorts exceeds the available supply of warrants. However, it's also noted that the outcome depends on market reactions and the number of shares that are truly shorted. Community sentiment and long term prospects. The GameStop community is actively debating investment strategies, with some investors choosing to hold on to their shares, known as diamond handing, and warrants, while others express frustration with management. Some investors perceive the company's actions, such as the warrant distribution, as a strategic move to punish heavy shorting and empower shareholders. The long term outlook for GameStop remains a subject of debate. While some analysts project significant declines in the stock price by 2030, others, using a different analysis, indicate positive short term signals. The company's traditional business model is facing challenges from the shift to digital downloads and subscription services. The meme stock's price is often heavily influenced by social media sentiment, which can lead to short lived rallies followed by corrections, and some view it more as a short term trade rather than a long term investment.
Okay, this is what's going on the order books. The market for the stock seems liquid. You can see we have a diverse range of open orders, indicating that active and passive traders and investors are present here on the market for the stock. So the loss has widened now to $3.03. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong. If well, that's what extrapolation is saying, but we don't exactly know. Going all the way towards Wednesday, the 15th of October, and they might even the momentum might even get stronger and peak by Thursday, the 23rd. But so far, so good, nothing. Okay, well, I have to point out that it is actually saying that it's going to continue to remain. This weakness will remain in place up till Monday the 6th, and then from Tuesday the 7th. So that I have to point that out. Projections are saying 24.77. It's a downward projection. Before now, as of the 10th of July, we had up to 37.95, 35.56, 31.69. Yeah. Selling pressure, we have, yeah, okay. The trend mode on the 10-day moving average is neutral at the moment. Yeah, neutral at the moment. Positions opened 10 days ago are just okay, and not profitable, not fantastic, not losing it either. The 10-day moving, 21-day moving average, those positions are doing well. They are trending right now as things stand. However, the 200-day move, the positions open 200 days ago are not doing okay. They're okay now. They're doing okay. Yeah, yeah. But even though the trend is bearish, but exactly 200 days ago, yeah, doing okay. Yeah, but yeah, doing okay. Okay, so let's just quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. Meanwhile, the losses now has reduced to 2.9%. So lower prices are expected to keep laying out, going all the way towards Thursday, the 9th of October. And selling pressure is severe on the 10 period moving average. Their price pressure momentum is severely bearish. However, the 21 period is trending regardless. So it's just this the weakness that began yesterday. That's what is behind all of this. But mind you, the company is also in the midst of all of that. The company is also yeah, you see, mixed this is issuing mixed offering here as well in the midst of the looming record date for the special dividend. So the company plans to use net. Okay, there. Let's say said it may sell a combination of securities, including common and preferred stock and debt, for an undisclosed amount. It plans to use net proceeds for any sales for general corporate purposes, including making investments in a manner consistent with their investment policy and potential acquisitions. Okay, yeah. So I think that must be the reason why the stock is down right now. So yeah. Okay, just see what you make of GameStop stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.